as you can tell by the title of this video, we're doing something a little different. No 240s, no turbos, no drifting. Today we're working on my dad's 1940 7 or 8 Studebaker truck. It's been sitting around for a while. I was rebuilding the carburetor probably a year ago, and we couldn't get the proper plunger for the carburetor. It has a leather seal that we couldn't find, and the one I did find wasn't the correct shape. So now we're going to completely customize this plunger, install the new gaskets, get the carburetor back on. We have to drain the tank, fill it back up with some good fuel, and then hopefully drive it around. But we're gonna dive into this thing and see what we can find out. The first thing is to get the carburetor rebuilt. Hopefully it all just comes back to me how it goes back together. This is the plunger I've been messing with. It's the leather seal on it, and it goes in here, and the issue we've been having is the diameter of this is for a different car. So I've been grinding this down to get it to sit in here properly, and now that we've got it to ride properly, we can put the top half on. I gotta drill a new hole in the top here because I had to shorten it just a little bit, and then I'm gonna put the pin through it, put that on top, and then we'll move on to the top part of the carburetor, get this all bolted together. Then we can put it on, drain the gas, and see if it fires up. So on these older trucks, there are drains on the tanks, which is really nice. Doesn't look bad, but it stinks. So we're gonna let that drain. Let it rip.
I turned the key off. Sorry.
Just fire it right off. Ready? Go. Keep going. I thought I was running out the tank.
One dry as a bone.
Is it really?
Yep.
Oh.
Look.
Well, we wanted to go for a drive. She's a little dry. It's such a weird system. All right, so we got the gas drained, refilled. We got everything flowing up to the carburetor. Carburetor runs, idles properly, but it has no brakes. So filled up the master cylinder. Going to bleed the slaves, and hopefully everything works out, because I feel like we're gonna round off a couple of bolts or something. We'll figure it out. Look at his wheel cylinders though. Flathead screwdriver to bleed it. It's crazy. Nothing? Nope. That'll be it for this video. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for part 2, where we get the Studebaker back on the road and see how she runs.